Did you eat? You should eat. They got all sorts up there. Ham, cheese, egg mayonnaise.
I'll go up in a bit.
And it's all linen. It's lovely. Lovely spread. Take a photo when you're up.
I'm not going up.
Well, when you do, take a photo. Oh, go on, before it's all gone.
I'll go up in a bit.
There'll be nothing left in a bit.
I'll go up in a bit.
She didn't come then.
I asked her not to.
No, it don't seem right. A man should have his wife at his side a day like this. And they've all been asking. Work. That's what I've been saying. She's away for her work. And they're all looking at me like I'm soft in the head. Go on, phone her. Go on.
Do you want something?
Hi, are you going up?
Oh, I'll go up for you.
I don't want anything. I ate this morning, I told you. Up at 6, clearing the shed. Had a poached egg. I couldn't wait.
Shed?
Well, it won't clear itself.
You are something. You really are something.
47 plugs. That was this morning. We've only 20 sockets in the whole house. No use to me. Just binned them.
I asked you to wait.
For what?
I wanted to look.
At 47 plugs? Not your stuff. I never touched your stuff. I wouldn't dare. See? Wouldn't dare.
What's that?
It's yours. Found it this morning in the shed.
You brought that here?
What am I supposed to do? I can hardly move. 4 bin bags to charity, carload to the dump, and you wouldn't know. And all that sandpaper, and the keys, and the tins of paint, all dried up, hollow like a drum. Made me sick to my stomach. Phone her. Phone her on that. There's money on that.
I don't want her here. Could you listen? Just for once. I just want to sit, okay? I just want to sit here and get drunk.
And how's that supposed to help?
I don't know.
So, you want it? I'm just asking because I know what you're like if I don't ask. You want it?
Yes, I would like it.
You don't have to have it.
I would like to have it.
Well, take it then. So, are you going up?
I'll go up in a bit.
Oh, look at that. They're queuing both ends now. Why do people do that? It just spoils it. Lovely spread and they go and spoil it. I'll go and tell them. One line.
Could you just stop talking?
I'm not talking, I'm just saying. They should be up there anyway. You're the man now, head of the family. Well, go and talk to them. They'll think you're odd, just sitting there.
It's a funeral.
Doesn't mean you have to be rude.
I don't know who any of them are.
Who?
Them. Him.
What? Him? Glasses? Tinted glasses? Why are you looking at him?
I'm not looking at him. I'm not looking at anyone.
That's your Auntie Mary's husband. No point in looking at him. They always stayed away. Thought they were a cut above. Told everyone he worked in the civil service. But he was a postman.
Yeah, well, I don't know him.
Glaucoma. The glasses. Too much fluid. And your Auntie Mary's in a home. That's what life will do to you. He came up to me at the funeral in the crematorium. I couldn't see his eyes. Made me feel sick. He said, "I'm sorry for your loss." And I just said, "You were a postman. That's what you were." I don't know what's wrong with me today.
You need to stay out of that shed.
Not that he said a word back. Well, what could he say? Grieving widow. I'm like the Queen. Why don't you phone her? Please. She makes me laugh.
Don't know what went on.
We're none of us perfect, I know that. And your father thought the world of her.
Don't.
Doted on her. Those last few months were that hard. And she'd come round and we'd be laughing. She threw a whole lump of cheese out the window once, and it bounced right down the park. Better than pills. That's what your father said. Phone her. For me.
What about me?
But what about me? She could be here now, laughing.
Laughing?
Yes, that's what I want.
You want her laughing?
Yes.
3 in the morning. 3 in the morning. I'm outside the ward and he's gone. And I need her at that one moment to hold me up. And I'm on the phone and there's this music and some guy in the background. Are you up for this or what? And she's laughing. Oh, yeah, I'm weeping down the phone and she's laughing. Are you up for this or what?
Oh, she's only human. You don't know.
Yeah, she rolls in full of kebabs, apologies, full of nothing that I need.
So talk to her.
Are you up for this or what?
You never got drunk.
You don't know. You have no idea and you need to stop talking.
Oh, there he goes. Postman, front of the queue now. Plate in each hand. And now it's one down. And he's putting biscuits in his pocket. I can't bear it. No ice, no children. And he's putting biscuits in his pocket. Her auntie lost one young. I never got past it. Came round once. Found her upstairs, sitting on your bed, holding your little pyjamas. Just sitting there, holding your pyjamas. All those keys. Will you just phone her? I swear to God, if you don't phone her, I will die right on this spot.
No.
Please.
No.
Fine.
What are you doing?
I'm taking your mouth organ.
What?
I'm taking it. It's mine now.
Give it back.
No.
It's mine.
Well, I need it now.
Well, I'll come and take it.
And I'll just take it back. I'm your mother. You don't know what I'll do. I'm going to start playing it.
No, you're not.
I saw a man on TV once. Rattled through West Side Story like it was a whole orchestra. I'm going to do that.
Give it back.
I played it this morning in the shed. Do you want to hear?
Don't you dare.
I played it. I played it like this.
You can't wait, can you? You just want it finished. Dump his life on the street like he never existed. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to come round to your house, I'm going to go through your bins, I'm going to find those 47 plugs, and I'm going to ram them back in that shed till the fucking roof comes off!
Phone her. I'll give it back if you phone her.
No.
I want you to phone her.
No.
Phone her.
No.
Phone her.
Why?
Because you can. Because there's a living person on the end of that phone. Because yours is here and mine's gone. And I'd give anything. Anything. The last thing I said to him was, I need to pop to the toilet. I just need to pop to the toilet. But I didn't. I just couldn't sit, couldn't say. I'd lost all those words. And the last thing I ever did was to lie to him. He was my life. I got up in the morning because he did. I breathed because he did. And at the end of all that love was a lie. I went to the machine and bought a Twix. I bought a Twix. And he died. And I want to go back and change that. And I want to be better and nicer and kinder. But I can't. So I'm going to clear the shed, I'm going to play the mouth organ, and I'm going to bang on the walls, because if I don't, I'll... Look, he's on the cake now. Oh, well, why not? Good job, postman, little postman. I bet he cries, though, behind those glasses. I know I would. All those keys. I think I'll make up a little bag for your Auntie Mary. She likes egg mayonnaise. It'll be a treat for her. Shame. She'd have loved to see all the linen. You might as well keep that. I shan't use it. I only had it for emergencies. But there's still money on it. Plenty. So don't waste it.
Thinking about my restless heart. Was thinking about my restless heart. Yeah, I don't know what for. I'm not anxious, I'm not bored. Not looking for a brand new start. The dream I had, it was the same. Sitting on that old westbound train. Was a young boy, he was selling snake oil. He said, here, take this for the pain. I never was one to believe in a quick fix remedy, but I got no ace up my sleeve.